What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm gonna make a video with the Luke again. I'm gonna make him a cool, challenging toy for him so he can play and get treats. Let's check this out. So we got 2x4 plywood, we're gonna cut it in pieces to make our toy for Luke. So we're gonna measure the bottle just like that, and we're gonna cut about 14 inches, this piece right here. So let's do it. And we're gonna do 2 pieces like that. So guys, it's gonna look like this. 3 boards, 1, 2 and 3. So we got here 2x2s. We're gonna grab some screws and put screws on them, 1 and 2. Nice, just like that. So the bottom piece, we're just gonna screw the same way, just like that. Nice, and now we're gonna flip it upside down. That's what it's gonna look like, just a little box like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna get paddle bead and make a hole into it. And also on the other side as well. So we put duct tape on a bottle, crushed it in to make holes, so the hole's gonna look like that. And we're gonna use a drill with a paddle, and then we're gonna take off the tape and it's gonna look just like that. You see there's a hole and there's a hole. Alright guys, and then we're gonna slide through the holes, the bottles, put it back in a hole right here, and then we're gonna secure this right here on this side so it doesn't fall out, and this is gonna be free spinning like that. Perfect, looks like it's working pretty good. You see how free it's spinning? So now I got for Luke his favorite treats. I cut them up. Ooh, he smells them already. And then I'm gonna put them in a bottle right here. Just like that. Look, he's excited for his toy. Keep trying. You done? You want that tape, don't you? You know how to do it. Come on, Luke, get it. Get it out. What are you doing? You know how to get it out. Just get it out. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, I got clogged, Luke. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go, you got it, Luke. Good boy. Guys, that tastes pretty good. You well deserve it. Look at that smart puppy. Good boy, Luke. Look. Wow, Luke, it's too easy for you now? Okay, once your dog figured it out, I would put holes a lot higher, so it's gonna be a little bit more challenge. But at first you wanna make it easy. You wanna put holes so it's easy to flip these bottles. And that's what he's gonna do with the pie in his face and get the treats out. There you go. You finally got it out. Good boy, Luke. Luke, where's your teeth? In the bottle? Yep. Nothing coming out. He really did figure it out. Look how easy he's spinning that bottle around. Now he's just having too much fun. Whoa, that was the hardest spin he ever done. That's so awesome. Here you go, now using Pa. He's like, where's my taste? The taste doesn't come out. He's looking at the falling on. Look, you're done. There's no more tates, look. Look, there's no more tates. It definitely works. Pretty awesome, huh? So let's put some more sand into it and see what happens. That's so cool, huh?